rikorodo zvisapshumo ndia nomala
India business ndia mshumo yo ndia business yo
India business ndia mabudzi
nenda upandiliwa take FNB
noita mini
upandiliwa FNB
Why?
It's been like 2 years now
What did you do
jena chede ndina student nofunga hapo bewe
Dzinokubva gai Dzinokubva gai
No jena imwe cherede ti
Ezvori vachiri pa business dzothe dzidzire dzintu ti towona
Andibo Maybe that's a business yangu. No, run your running as
so.
How many businesses do you have?
Anyway, do you have Porsche?
Are these two different businesses?
Yeah. You when
Yamabuzi. Oh, Yamabuzi. Oh, it is so. You know what I mean? What do you do?
Borrado ozviva.
Randibonedza tema.
Hayi, dzinozoparira imwe ndiyano.
Randibonedza personal. Ndiyanova if yanova lakaini.
Ndiyapeka, ndiyapena nokuiwa radio dzire FNB.
Wampandira zvobaba ma.
Wanoitani? Jena ikubva kachedio. Ya only fence.
Hayi.
Anoonera kanto.
Yala cherede yasa kudhaka 4.
Okay.
Mara yodara. Hamera.
Yena ngoiprisa. Yeye company yazviduro. Nguzvipa.
Tinoita story. Songo.
Ndomba story chapuma. Okay.
No, ndiyasitamba madzino rimini. Mara ile chedi yakotebva. Okay, rikoshimisa vanhu varafamba mu studio ti. Ikobva kamukona ti. Ikodhaka ini ti.
Okay.
So mukona isendera 4. 4 ndikotoipasera ini. And then yala chedi maziko mukona ukoijia kamaginya. Maginya zozdivi. Ndizendafa.
Ini waina notenda uchishumiswa ini.
Atingotendo orindo nyagota ntu. Fumini. Achizini nantona fumini FNB ndar yandishimisa FNB. Mundazola mtu ushimisa mini RMB, see? And then I'm like, okay, ndizetantu.
Neti yokulesa ndamaiki.
Nikulesa mara.
Namuditati wa.
Yotoma yaitantu yatuwa ti. And then ajena yavuviri. Watama ajena half.
Na ina kudola something. Nakudosana something nyana. Okay. Zoto feroshimisa banga yanu.
No, later ndobudiro hichi ndongojena ndinji. Ndikamsi kodesina 1,500 or 5,000.
Yeah, okay.
Ay ndinji. That's why I'm banga.
Like half a meter.
Hi, okay. Not that such bring a polo.
No, marati ya dobe asiano still.
That's the thing. Niyo in his first door chefera. Ya Jenny Tom. FNB send a message okay. Kanyagwa niambi zuri. Chere kubva gai. Iko yakai nyirizi nipiyo. Ate nenda usola mtu re. Ini la chede uchi wafi mini. Ara muna nane zi strabe. Funny. Nane zi ndoto uzi wanda sa these are kids sa ni machizi. And then ndika negative. Okay, sharp. Ajena ingwe. Ola wori senda ncheri jina ndara hani alwa. Ndoto uzi.
Nazimupe.
Yote pude puputia.
Azi mungano wangu.
Mungano wangu.
Zvazinirisa.
Arkandisenda. Yakatira ba right. Arkandisenda hafu. Ndar atisende hafu.
Zviyenana nawo zvitu zvine ola mungano nwanga zvita. Olonzira dzinasho. I'm right. Zviyenana naye. It sounds like something he would do. Uzoto ukoluka something ola mungano. That's why she's so Aaron.
Nah.
It's so like him. It's so like him.
So then FNB barno nasa dana itezizvote rodovara account yanu and then the report the next account ina the senda ke cheled. Neni la yanga vakuisenda. Ilenda ibubuja.
Vanipa.
Ndotevone ko jena iko account.
Na ifazo mara zvino zvosamupana kuiterani.
Ngori onchumisa zvongumbuza zvitu ende zvino unyaga uri kandibvise hafu ndimupe ndisere na hafu. Wala mtu kanange.
Ngori ndiye nodona plan youtsva.
That's the thing. Then ndikwaenda kushimisa tswandi songobudziwa. Ndari kulomgudisa mulayo.
Nai ende zvinji vosenga kamadlanga then not. Ngori yojena kaini.
No, ndidonda saduse ndiye mimi.
Ndikwamba zvone uri namupa ininji vosenga. Usenga ini ngori yojena kaini.
Uzibona, zvinoti kune ndikosenga ndoile.
Nemara are unomtana kunya kushimisa account yanga kambe.
hela chedi
Tingani.
eri dando chaya
nkumbele anyway ri zvona panda it's giving ndina plani mara iyafarisa ambani
guys sokunuita
ambani we'll do that later
ava ndobuza chistory man
ye so nishumisa vini kipiteke
no ndochimisa to discovery
at least how's discovery
it's really nice
ne inabu
na hela kadi yanatsumbe
ntoni airport rishumisa ntoni lounge ndi na iyajena discovery ka hela ya FNB ifimini na the slow lounge
kara ngoshimisa the purple one
purple one discovery
ndio ne Quran ka discovery not the
marangi FNB rijena nangayi
hukuno ndi Quran ka FNB
oh you mean compared to what's the gold na mean okay oh yes I hear you
so
makes sense
ka discovery ziri white
unabo premier debit
ziri white black purple
hapa marona black nje bena premier debit is black
because dzona black hapa tadzi
na premier debit is black
yeah so yeah, that's what happened man
at least remember ni doribukela ini zinto
tukwenda butishimisa ntuma tishimisa people
ishinidosh mara iyatenda norito moja na people
ndio nekuranesa
and koma zvino ndorita cho ndofunga nori nishumisa people nozviamba ngoralo zvino tanga nokambiwa vatu and inongita bari nori ngoda value o'clock ngundashidera rabecha no becha
rabecha kwe
500 1000 kana
understand
sinde
account yandenila
hayi kuringa change mloba aziriyaka kampa chale dewo mtukana huyu asiringa
nganifa nitonkumbela zvinhu vanochaya ndinochaya
ndochaya zvino
ndori nide nonosvika zvino
rivesa davuya
ndikwine zvezvo yeah thanks a lot for tuning in kind on episode ndovuya guys officially I'm here second week ndikadhiva one but watakara
ndimziya kuonesa vangani
yeah ndichawaone vatu funanga man and oh yeah before remember last week ran uzori comment ani #MR21 and the Black Couch officially we're back baby
yo we rewana futhi ndikuku 12 months
as 12 months until December
that's fine we can rock we can push
guys
we can make it work
repeat ngosibona and all thanks to you namere bai tele lingweli airtime we are
mini
airtime mamuna so
brought to you
by MR21 and then also if you want to check out there's a link I'll attach it in the description box up if you want to join and put in our you can just go in there you punch in your details what you need and then from as little as 100 rand
so when you need to mana phan kolwala
maybe wanna fleet ya honems
ndotuwa zvavudi namsikarina nisikuya like taduru I feel like ingamba esikonisa because I'm thinking
once so
tikudzibona silaguri dzikojere here
watu vanhu vosara vakadzi class
niko konomvesesa ningotoba imagine mkegurunga green cross bozira ka class
why green cross ni
ndizva keguru
zvenda ziyapodza mtu zvako ma
even mara zvenda zvitorekiswa kemisini guys ningomvula kemisini it's in discom how discom
link
Alala no murungwa pharmacy
una murungwa pharmacy dodara Venda ndikanikolwala
why kusienda kazvibuya ubuya amigo ningatiromboza koreka bedka aid stiletto
askana rela ndikombela
na rela kama red bottom
chikuna chingu like now as long as dokotela kwa muro mtu awana fimini tekila soso la Nike wampe dunk utoba right mnenja una afuna na uvulesi
ungatama una dokotela lela ngaumwalela uri easy and the Yeezys look comfortable
yeah and ndi running shoes
nari yes why ndisinayo
ndikala edi
easy
adura mara
but it's beautiful it's worth it itonga
aichadura mara
you know I feel like those are basic shoes zonongabo the superstar Yeezy I feel like those should be in your closet Air Force One Yeezys superstars Timberlands
Timberlands ndifunga
I want to get them now I want them no mara see every day
I
feel like they would work so much with my fashion aesthetic
and prefer
imagine ninga camouflage ya kamuzanga camouflage yogumaga have like a jort sort of and a leather but you know
msadzomuru zvino watutuntu
you don't get it ndito tonisumeza ka Pinterest
yeah and I prefer palladium I don't know what happened I think what more designer zvimwe zvitu zvovipa
ngomiyanda vonda
and ndichifuna ma
chitu chitocho tibanne isadzanne
No, ndimsemero no. Yeah, nguti vami.
Ndikuti vavula, guys.
Vula singene. Yamba zvezo ti. So.
No, I was going to ovulea.
Yo, vula singene.
Vulela my weekend.
Vuleka.
You are so dumb.
Anyways,
I can't
guys,
deal with you. Like,
do contact what by Martin to and if you want to know more about the packages never vanadzo. Vanubuza ngandranda phedzi nga mwedzi ambure nga mwa ando budget ku 1.2 vano join na no bvakavo and then karanya vakoma ndi 0151510251 kana 0252 kana neka www.mr21.co.za and then we come in at you live from Panda Studios and pone kodya zwa quality rion because vona logo chato yamba nga Panda tidzira yoni vatu vakuivona hey unganeta abendu creme zvistu nomboro dziri mini 010023299 or info@pandastudios.com nazo so yeah man. What's been happening?
What's been happening? Rari corridor running on the video clock and it ndo for thing ndiputsi earlier because I'm like ukhuda otompromise. I'm not even going to ask you how far are you or whatever.
Yeah.
And Shoni, okay, but now I don't do that to people anymore.
Not donate. Like
no marandaza the nivo dzisa nditabo dzisa mutu ari kuda asandangonda.
Jamba ruwa zvezo.
Like
don't want to join rungo adera uyimaini. Was that thing real or
no, it wasn't AI.
To cover chema rara kwa bae na mtu mrengo wa rona abdi there's a chance or on around abdi ngazi kukumeza noima I don't
know abunji emuna uko nwiwa pitori elelo kugene what if otobodo ka bacheloni nine atomono amachoni yazdives
na zino ndono masawar kwamba
sure nendo nomkulu mti
kwa mi
guys repes ndichiko big
what do you know nomkulu nondori ina dynamics refrigerator
yapesiwa
asizore
yapesiwa mumwe
ningano notaro mumwe ndinyi
tama yange nandinayo
Nyazini exposed then ndimtu wantu mama ndimtu dzika watu wakamuri that episode ya last week it was one of the best.
Really?
What was so special about it?
What? Prep.
Like I got a lot of messages, the comments now. So like this is one of the best episodes.
Maybe you got it wrong as well as a blessing.
Does that make it the best?
You can't tell me it was because we spoke about farts. Then you guys need to get your priorities right.
Like that's supposed to be honey guys. What do you mean by that?
I don't know. I guess you never know what that mean. Also comes in but what you want to make a good mood. I don't know.
Because it was a long
also
weekend,
maybe also a couple of very toxic episodes, you know, based on what was happening.
Sense, yeah.
Then now we finally that's when those semana mfumakazi. Oh dabari.
Mara.
Anyway, and let's show we are 2024 or 2023 if you remember. Ngachimanga cha sinet. In each kori you don't understand uri bullying. Inina dipedza bullying you're a bully too. Aunengwendira. There's no other way. Oh, mutu utarno be muna. Yabe washango no just every day. Mama commissioning ndafungo already. What do you mean ufenedi wa?
I'm sure we won land. We won la responsibility.
Do people understand or recata because of time?
That's
like,
the thing.
We're not bored, guys. We can talk for 3 hours if we have to.
I read 3 hours everyone.
And then I put in the coin.
Hey, so I'm saying you need busy. Niko assess ngo sitongi. Niko to guy na hivi. Guys, niko chitanga 7 am. Omdodo bari. Niko to
11. Ni 12 hivi. Norenga babu zenu norenga nosikanga 12.
Norenga.
No, it's somewhere bari.
Oh, then you're tomorrow mzantuti. Yonse mzuruma 2k adalira usika guy man. My little sister ndomsendera
mwana wangu ndo wapenganyana naye
chuhuru ndomsendera imwe video soka TikTok oti ya mtu akonyago edera ti at night then ashtovea thofa silazo diposa kambet amo ditomumbra sto zotangana no haya no kulimiwa like auna silini lazori if you sleep this is what you're going to be exposed to for the rest of your life then response ya funny mimi When response ya
you experience that alone my brother. But I get the message. Like they're not. No, they're chilling.
Bruh, how do you usually say this, bruh?
But okay, and Abana verbal mini.
Yeah.
Vambas wanna swim with it? No, I shouldn't have central voice not go kaizo fiat conversana. Surface bono.
No, unfortunately, it's no experience.
And it's more about. Mara, don't you think it's a firstborn thing?
Urinitome ntambule?
No, urinia umbresa uri ungatambuliwa. Hola Benny namse achumbulori my parents might pass away. Those are in. You had nobody else to think of. Or drop a dead it's over. No, you skip.
Oh, mtwanga. Ina renga mtwanga.
Ndio guys tumkona renga spere. Ndio guy.
Ichi ndichi pendi ilacha 2.5 kana cha 1.7.
One point, what's the difference?
Unachava bora ti about never wanotamba.
Ndicho cha 2.5.
Because chiba china maburi because it allows them chiteba chithi.
What do you call it? Poly what?
Chitanga mateka alani atoma about.
And then emara ini which one would you prefer? This one.
This one. Ichila ndo chifara ti.
The 1 point mini 7. Jirangiswa guy.
Ka Adidas ka online. Funny enough ti ngori ni 1.7 na chincha face ti muzana wako no renga zvitu nga 2000 avo renga zvinhu zvinjezo mara rine ite sube t-shirt
no zvikubva kuri ngorenga ga
veni yarenga kashini
ini ningarenga kashini zvikipa zvona
mara chini yavatu kana aina zvinhu zvinji
okay rhymes the price rothe renga zvofana
Mr. President.
Okay, then if you see, okay, so it's a quality thing. Arendi kunyago Adidas ndikorenga ngene price. So
it's even though it's not quality.
Kashini,
the quality because we know the quality is very weak.
Yeah.
So either way, when you want to stylish, ina renga zvinenge yawona watu. Nenda renga chichashini ntozo rai man.
Mara guys, atikorenga kashi ini ngori stylish. Ndikorenga ngori atina cherede. Shini ndi replica mean.
Ana cherede na kadina.
Kadidzi chibrada cherede.
Zote
blokiwa. Zofriziwa. So I'm just saying net korenga ngori ba stylish body. Most of the stuff that you find on Shein the replica za mashopo aukuma. There's the leather jacket that I'm talking about. Iko trend ka Shein mara yaone ndi ya Zara. Na forever new banayo. So baba koto doboroda zviweje zvilo zvena kuzvibona ningaona Zara inacho kana H&M whatever. So ariko yango river blind ka style. Whatever usually what they have zoto
ndingoeda price.
Rikoeda price. So na are ndiko nyago ambara zvine ndafunisa zvone ndikudotiyo vana chiredine iyo ndo yavanna. If I want to dress up. All those yenda zvobe zvidura more though I think.
Na majini adura.
Especially designer.
Na majini adura.
Designer sneakers zabe zvidura more.
Ndobona imwe ndiko.
Na the slides.
Ukofika ukorotora guys kara chikipa chano chodhura chikuita ambara ni ntaji
nyambare amiri ntaji ntaudi
so ukume this point because ni the rara
no like ngamandeza kama take like designer ngamanda is like you more expensive
zamuri ro design lo bana chirete sabana
yani nayo tete zoro zo design
no design lo
and yanchena wewe vanhu vona chirete vakare
yeah I think so ana chirete ndwanyo vona chirete kare
vatu vavanna vakare like arrows Venda vatu vananga votidiera so that's old money and vakadiva nayo avana mibeke zvino zvino dombudzana rera mibeke nawo ma 70-60 that's long money ndikwambori nokonoisa stayla ubva murao naipusha and you're still rich.
Do you think you'll get there?
I think I will. I believe I will. Because even the things that I can afford now, I just have to believe really those weeks.
Next 10 years, maybe?
I mean, I don't want to give it a time frame. It can be 3 years. That is no, no, go try as well. China Luambo. Na wakati makoferwa ngori tikutenza vatu. Zobya zobana vatu.
No, ndikanda vachilady nje.
Mara we don't you think we will get there, man? Don't you think nichikodoba kisiwana yasdiva?
I think so though.
I think you know, ne?
Yeah, you
know it's coming, but you don't know when. I think you see it even the way you spend money. You know it's coming and it comes.
Bro, this is my last money. Look, I spend. And when I get Maria, like you always get money.
I always get it. And then that's the problem. Over spoiled bread, you know it's gonna work out.
Because I told you I was
not
broke.
Not 30 wife would be barraging.
Mara, it's not like Tina Bang. I took a charity of bucket in Nantu.
Block every guy. Nichi bazana ita fancy rana should bought there. She got your product. Ni sefo. Na fori mtanga sipo. She bought there za aro. Ni kopendo the product za logo.
Okay, what?
So got extra electric fence.
Uri kama si wonichi faratizi nonchi gonya something. Nti wano farerera. Kama ni chito gripa kwa namba ni tawa. Mara ndono dansa zvoni. Ndono dansa zvoni. Kama si dojena glove.
Dojena box glove.
Maybe just human deal as tomorrow. We just don't know about it. ndichitaira
chinevogeniwa msi aleva lazvibodhero
tambori vavenda voivovho
harichwazvo nehanditiugonya chitu It's so weird. But anyway, why Rakomangamini? ADHD. We spoke about so many things. And then we spoke about clothes. Rova, keeper. I did the Chinese. I don't differ as well.
How could differ with one of us?
No fanging.
Wallpaper in Nakaso. Mara Ntu. Actually, Maka didn't feel anything.
What?
Bruh, like, did you see the thing?
I didn't see the filler. I don't want to WhatsApp Zanga, but ne, that's good.
That one.
This stadium,
no, it's on a ground. Park Canyon, I
like
think
a
so.
Botanical or something.
Yeah, probably something
that's
like
good.
that. Hey, I feel like Makazi, she's so good.
She has so many fans, and the Unabo, the Conrad Zote.
Yeah.
You want to the Cape Town Angajita?
I think so.
Makala de Belleville. Angada.
I think the hood, man. I feel like if Ringari Makazanga struggler, where would it be? I don't know, man. Because I was trying to think KZN caused by that. I don't think not even Yana. She would. Probably Cape Town anga struggler. Now not in Cape.
I just think Cape Town Jingabachitukunyana Stadium space Mara. Okay. Ndishiri chituku tukamba zvo hard rock mara like maybe like a park, like a similar park.
Why hard rock? Because it's a stadium.
No, I'm just saying, I'm talking about venue now.
Oh, that fun go stadium.
And then I'm like, yeah, Cape Town just thought that automa like Petononga Park.
Not like hard rock though.
No, ndukambo not hutukusa.
Mara hard rock ndikurane. Now it doesn't really blend.
I've never been there, so
I've never been there. No one has video.
I just know Dingangomu and it's not like Sunbet Arena. So I'm just saying, whatever it is. Mara obviously Kayenga Shume, hard rock wouldn't work for Magazi.
Yeah,
it would be too small.
Yeah, obviously.
Ati Dibi Mara, I don't think it would work.
Yeah.
And then Habana comes a guy. Okay, Limpopo obviously she would thrive. What Eastern Cape people guy?
I feel like Otanga strive just
Nga Uri also who could doya Aunga doya Venda Peds, who could doya the rest of the Licompo. And remember Achiko also was ngoda ene ubo this yeah, so no,
just
she
like
would,
Shandesh was
she would make
there.
it. Nah, she yeah. Nah, Shandesh was on it.
Because I think the only video they want to go down. Go papa. So that girl thing, Mutwadini, the thing here no lyrics. She also did it yesterday.
Odovaya ita na makazi. She's so good. Ndiola and now got you interview. Did you do the interview?
I did.
Oh, that's so cute. I love. She's such a breath of fresh air.
Yeah,
she's such a breath of fresh air.
Yeah, I mean,
and I think I didn't text her over to Samar. I think akufunga ndakasipindure or something. I'm like, but why wouldn't I? Guys, and I feel like what we notice it's very like I don't care. Zviakondori nditova ndaitisa ze profile ndisatipindura nari hai ndikudori hai nditoborovonga hai how are you hai kondengisa say hi and tell me what you want, you know. So she came in a paragraph full on.
That's what I prefer.
Yeah, this is what I want.
Like, why not?
Ndari say less and just screenshot this and range of men. I was mean, like, do I have to now?
That way, guys. Ninga say hi.
Nyanga who adededi wa mutu.
Comes to one.
They told me fongani blind.
Nandi ndi busy that time. Nda angopendura mzi badakaini.
The Facebook what?
Naka Facebook wani dera batu.
Iyo. Niningotamba.
And then also other one announcer or she's gonna go to figure one woman she has no woman apita mkava.
Oh really?
Yeah. Already at the footage.
Ah
man, should have gone back.
Uiko woman nga December. Oh,
ngati 24 I think.
Oh, ngapsipin paint.
Ufuna isantuni ma. Tambo Stadium.
She would have felt that up. Eh, nachingaona apa la bada itipunda mareview manga milenji.
Bra, like
Mara, I think ukonyaga zone uri nisango mudowelesa. Aita so achi we yani don't appreciate more next year. Ichi we are.
Ufuna chiko 3 years iti.
Aina kuwa ni yako luga. Achi we are the data. It's gonna be very full.
Do you think she would fill up FNB Stadium?
Soon. Probably not Namusi, but as Yokure. It's not far-fetched.
Now?
Right now, I don't know, but it's not far-fetched. It's not never. It's a... It's
just this thing.
It's a jump. Like, people are having that all their lives.
Yeah, she should try it. Makazi yanuzama to FNB.
Ati mengatendo way.
Tando chiwala 25 is very small.
No, mara the impact in yes here you atendo is good enough.
So you just want
the impact part of it. La weekend yo riva zi deco bakushuma, ba catering bakushuma, ba mavudzi ba zinara bakushuma. It's so much money.
Yeah.
You know. So kaito me tendo then
at the FNB.
I don't think it's far-fetched.
Oh,
do you understand reve FNB ukotoka ukoto mvenda mwana moyo?
What do you mean?
Like udoya mvenda mwana moyo routing basically.
Oh, ndikuri nkamba like
uperformer.
Probably uperformer.
Or line up, I don't know. Yeah, line up ya mrowe yana. Obuna ba
I just saw Shandesh.
Yani.
Na Mizo was there. Na obviously nene mune. Ati host ani si perform it. Na dore bashumi banga nitele ni zvitu.
Zvonoiteke.
Fisto si chatulidza vongodorivo.
Zvore ubaone ka line up way. Tochopengera mungaro wakairima.
I mean, Maria, I think that's a cheaty shop.
Oh, I love Asa so much.
Well, I'm going to have na 11 o'clock.
Oh, yeah,
that's all the land go ongange.
Marandingi, Luna was there. Ooh, chiaro nacho. Chia perform.
Chiri chamba chare, and go razu twangi.
Chiaro. Nyango chita nacho.
Guys, we're so packed. Cause guest.
That's so good. Luna is so good. So my little brother, I'm ready. Or don't video call Luna because I know he likes Luna.
You also do that.
And the video call.
You know the event is about.
Why?
Because they can literally just buy tickets about that. I mean,
ngono washo Venda ipitori. I didn't.
Oh, what did that?
Tulu shobo rupengera ini uche mwana ozura ade akodo groove.
Zvakake. Udo kubona na ntuni na Pitori na vangana vanhu.
Unazvina kuita umshumo ne hanga dova utotorova akorovera tu. This is kishini ula mtu relax anda video call anda ndikomsumeza.
Akorona Luna.
And then he sends me a text ane for ndikomsumeza. Abendi bandisa kumupfati ene ukupfanne. Yo bana delete mini disappearing zvingazvotuwa.
Nah, I'm single those are no send out. What the fuck? All I'm going to do is there.
Don't say like that.
This bro literally said, give the phone to Luna.
I did.
I'll go back for my.
I did. He does that. What, yeah? But today it's a thing. And then for example, I didn't go video so I go perform. What if I panda ajia phone and then so I think that's what my little brother just did it. And then I gave him hi, I'm going to perform over kitchen. Like what? Vibes. Who knows this? Vibes.
Guys, nane makaza ko perform nimfonele. Kana miza ko perform nimfonele. Nimube phone. Niwe ndikotovoka.
Ati relaxa. Bazo no.
Ichidela lapho kana vanhu.
Lona lo ulesa mamugana. Okay. Ichipeza yabuya. Nda drop mchura yapanda nda umero jive. But yeah, I was still saying I saw him perform. He's so good.
Yeah.
Obu kind kumubona na Dibreza performer. Oof.
I've never seen him perform anyway. Nibango go the video yeah.
What an experience. In our goosebumps. It's so good. You need to see him perform routine. Manango tu was your fan and go woman.
Guy who feel to perform.
I can't believe Kereke is your producer. Isn't that sad?
You perform
you don't be about to revive Shangoni.
The Brazil Chidakwa.
Not Maroriza. Where else is Benjamin Dube? Aye.
What is that Kereke?
Benjamin. Kwa so got fombe ko chibira na Benjamin Dube da
ko lutro ke bara
lutro maroba chitanto yana zikirkin na miniti
mara zuno ko tanto vi yani bana ndala
unanto ndobona na limbo na unati
I think so film shedeni kana and then now there's you producers you like kereke
ini
there's
ila kereke ikakatisi wewe
mara ke do producer mfunzi ngani ndiyo mfunzi. Yeah, I was actually thinking about.
Baone watu bane wadumfunzi bomutsire baone.
Nane ndione. Why bomutsire?
Uchilofo baone.
Chilofo ya chaka bamfunzi nacho.
Chisi chika bamfunzi asimfunzi already. China sutu nyala.
Ngoramba. Wara sutu bamfunzi na. Actually, speaking of that, there's that thing nyako manga.
Lebewe kerekeni wali ko bari ka sutu. Ningaito mtano foka arabeli sizo.
There's this girl on the Pel my lule. Have you seen it?
No,
I think ndonibuzanga last week religious psychosis. She was actually telling us about how the church is structured.
I think we are TikTok.
I think so. I was hoping you would talk about it maybe in a chibuya kind of mean. And then I was like, actually, because not so okay, here's the definition you wanted. So it's a mental health condition where religious or spiritual beliefs become delusional or hallucinatory, disrupting the daily life and perception of reality. Do you think there's that?
There is.
In the church?
There is.
Because there's other one here, there's like the KPI. Just like every company has its own KPIs. Even Kirikero has a KPI.
Valid.
And then she was like, the first one, measure success is the marriages. I was like, what?
That's when it's calling marriage.
Nah. Have I? Nah, I don't think I'm this. No, about this.
But I think it's true though.
Yeah.
I think so. What makes you a good pastor?
And then another thing she said that was so interesting.
And they're
was
getting
like,
good jobs or something.
What would happen is that there's an OAPFA who has this 5 business cards. She's doing so well in business and all that. So they're going to find a brother in Jawa random. Only did there at Ramsana and Achit. And they're going to try to meet you guys.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe Agakona extracted the money from you. Because obviously you are smart. And every time. But then the guy who believe would be the one to extract it from you and then give it to the pastor. That's how she was actually saying it.
I just hate the fact that religious psychosis in it every night after church, because it's like you now believe and you see things in a certain way. Like you know, like it's too. So yeah. It's hardly never to make you succeed. So you need to be very careful. I think it's best when you read a verse, you interpret it the way you want, because it's going to give you problems. Ngori otherwise in the bachisiwana for chipunga bad, because I do understand opfuma. Like, because being a Christian comes with being humble. You don't have to be too vocal. Yeah. It's disrespectful.
Which is what
you need to be.
This other lady, and I'm taking Metro, Faith Mangope. She was actually saying Christianity was actually meant subordinate like ni Christian, nina moral, you can't just go against anything.
Exactly.
Just no band, which can be one attend.
Our pastor uri.
The mnoshkipa.
Hi.
Oh. The mumwe. Oini mrengere chikindi.
Hi, mumwe nwanga. Una chikindi?
Yeah, it gerechi mle tutu.
Abadirira bachiyadzimana.
Mwatwanga kiti yote.
Uwabara baro mtu wanu.
Urmin.
Skutra.
Oh.
Yo, focus.
Sorry.
What was I saying?
No, you actually saying your pastor by midrend wambanga.
Yes, but you kwamba uri. For example, already navani line in ShopRite, and then there's like maybe it was slow. You know now a lot of gungura, but gungura. Hey, why is sako move? Hey, why is nabashumi bote? It can never be a Christian, because for you it feels like I need to stay out of trouble, like the Christian. But what he's doing is not wrong. So we narrate over vocal. Baba kwambure, that is the reason why nakadzi political seats. They're not Christian. They're not Christian because Christians pick a big seat. You don't even want to fight to become a principal. It's too much. You don't want a lot. Like, you're designed not to want too much. You're like, so
if I can survive the
day. You know.
So this whole thing, I feel like, but Jena. Marilo won't when each number the amber, to the Divakulwa, Renera Mujajo, or Wakos of Zinra, the Tilini, lines of Chimera. But then also, it also makes sense to Andrea Uri, Nicha Shoponi expect Uri. Uri Munan Wagunyakana, the Tila Brazukipa, Uri, while line is a Kuchimbira.
I'm boring to me, Olio.
As long as it is valid.
I'm too funny and the Vasako
I
love video. I love video. Studio. We can have a performance.
I didn't to Ghana. I didn't go to Ghana.
Push back.
Chavule chandama. Guys, 3 months chavule chandama.
Lori. Then sindi kwa geregeni, lige.
Oh, that atinya good into mfunzi. So don't even know. So yeah, it's actually something like that. There's a muzumbulori. Because another thing she said is like wafunzi wako nobonari maybe Kingsley ndi gay or reality or face well off na me so was distracted lots wako no ba mecha nenda itantu ndela zwine rine rido soko dzura riko rwanga chashwangi ngoroka mechi
mara bone mechi
wenyunyuri nini ko da probably wafunzi
nichisenga nepala vakizokoita zvisession nyana zvapira no that's true
ini ngodinyagira vafunzi mani famsatsi
and I think they do that vazvivona uri hoyu ukodoritsitsira chirunzi ndi asset mara ndije zvinoretisani ariro musasavedza rumpe musadzi vanitori ni believe I feel like vatamanya vani panga na dzipulpitini vani panga dziworship teamini vani panga hote uri namsi ni chumbulo kama out zvidoshonisa neni munhu they put you in a corner so, which is insane really. Do you think mara already bibili ina verses za magay and whatever?
What do you mean verses za magay?
Kwambura arechiri abatodi wiki like if they're saying it's a sin. Do you think bafunzi bako ba negligent ngoba tendera kirkini? What do you think? What do you feel about this whole thing?
I feel like if already
because ba one mara zito ignore you.
Yeah, that's true. And I think the moment injiri ni mufunzi nishimsabibi ufunzi and then probably somewhere I wanna verse no come angoto da magay I mean inenada vana vaniko vaaccommodata with that thing yori no vadoshanduka because I feel like mwenye kushumisa ila line yori rodo vashandukisa ri vatanganiza comments you and zvino zvavamba dzikerekeni. I just feel like
aukokidimidzo nomboro.
That's what I wanted to go to now. Uri as long as kereke imagine go feel now watu va straight va 10 na va 190 va magay ningapatuisa ini kerekeni nimfunzi. Let's think about it. So it's all also, about the KPIs.
My thing is no mutu wisa orala ningaona uri ujena na miyaona kusiyawo nabo vakudotuwa hatuwana mwana wao na karadzi yao like and yeah I think they think of stuff like that. No, we don't want to be known as the church that kicked out gay people. So jamburi na bena bakika out ningododo right wa that's why ndikwamburi I don't know how I feel about it like because nachitori chauri ufi ji demonic ngamini I don't really get it. I'm still trying to understand it. I don't.
Yeah, guys, ndichiyanga dizemedwa kwamba zintu zivese dzinoambe zvitodependa to research uri
no I don't understand
about a lot of
things ndiabelo zvipesesa ngauri miniti ngauri like mutu ene mune okay utobipo amuzana no problem and then achikwaruwa apparently till science ido ambori ni vanina ntu ya mo uprisa ya musana ni vanamini.
Is that the case?
Apparently, but then my chat is let's leave science aridile na spiritually you believe you're a man, right? So if ndo aruwandi ku believe uri ndi munna and atingotozvinanga, right? I feel like it just comes. You just wake up and you prefer pants and not skirts, right?
Really?
Yeah. I don't think you wake up one day and there's two choices, boy, girl, nari boy. I don't think it comes instantly. I don't think nizviita duality. So my chat is I don't know why nimunhu niko believe zvezvo nono ndibudzora I don't like pink, I like blue. And that's just it. I don't see fairy tales no utamisa goloi umebuluni na vamwe vachigota zvobika. So oyo mwana ara o believer ngoraro ubva ana 6 7 8 9 10. She's 28 now. And we still want to blame the devil and say ndi madimoni. I don't know.
But then
I have a cousin who's lesbian. I have a cousin who's lesbian and ndozvibona ubva richivatuku. It's just that people
because I feel like nyazvibona also
no like we grew up together we would go like she used to hate doing dishes. Yo, my sister avenga dishes like she used to like doing stu zvava
matera gudo izvezvi
hai na ausinezvo mara itofunotovoto the relaxer chichibonwa so baba no problem rikotowa rikoitwa mavudzi she would just do like cornrows dzazvinonga jub nendaitwa the braid rabuya hasive na problem rikoyerenga uniform anyagi chikete na uti unyanga maruku pedzi you didn't see it all along.
Yeah, so no one kuzvibona zvinanzana
baba yangomangara zvino yangovidza vafunzi na mini. So in the end atiponi there was never a time where she was girly. So dimon lolo generini lomu jena na 5 years.
Yeah, sample says. But then those because I feel like also ti no right okay leni jena nina 5 years and all that ti but then una point ini mune niyadzula namlozoro okay I know I'm guilty mara izvo zvinoenda kuita wrong probably ini mune niyazama kuzvilwisa zvila zviri like why ndichidzwana okay imani dzidwana ndichidzwana nayo yoti uchife probably narivhura mayonasi like no guys zvitombarera like veni vanhu kota like you said also
anovhura mayonasi ini
ndikotamanirwesa exactly so nongazosoni vari kuti muzvivona ini mune niri mini ngazvo
vabebi vanokomwarusa no aningozviplana ngangomu hano azviexist uri ndikototeya nidhibona samuthu ane mayonasi it's too much of hard labor
mara nimodhiri is hard labor ndisvine zvavetwanga vanna
I don't think irini kuzvipfesesa ndipfori zviva zvingangomu already ini anedhibonisa munna
how ni vani kudhibona I feel like ndinazvibona Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect. Oh, but there's no way you feel like a girl with those
okay. You also need to understand okay, this is what I like. If you would be with a girl. Even.
I don't know. Actually, would you be with a girl?
I can't. I would disappear. Because what do you mean it's my time?
Yeah.
What do you mean it's my turn?
They have times in.
You have the lead. I thought you got this. Which you there? I never was checking. Okay,
Never, man. I'll never.
Just imagine. So do you understand how hard it is already? Oh, you mtu niponanga autos jensa nga swiri. Ngozo zoto jena.
Do you think lazo ito anangori ni dress? Une lazo ni mdinu. Wadarisa vazana. Ini nintu. Ini out in north. Nazo nziyato mo jena lazo tu.
Azishumi nana kazi nyangarari vazana ribanji. Hauna mama zana banji ashu. There was a lot of girls. And she's very pretty. Hauna influence wangori. Hapone watu wani babonore kava tukana tinga wini. Irandiro yangangi. Oh, she's very pretty. She looks like all of us. We all look the same.
Or like cause this year there any chance oh at least.
Already a baby one evanji.
Yeah.
So nichi bore dera about ni mani kurvaisa. Ni mani kurvaisa. Zo chanta dia zbora zvikorera jolana nyi. Because we have more after nines now. We have more after nines.
Jambore rinero rarinera va straight. We stand the chance now.
Yobana bana batano.
No, you don't want to easy because imagine when you I have options.
It's easier
now.
For you guys to get a girl.
You think so?
Lately, I have been in an option.
What do I need to get a girl? If I am to get
what
a girl.
Did you use to get a girl? No, to mwambisa mwana ndo ambisa like uambisa jobuma.
Yeah, I think so.
Like hi, I'd like you to be my girlfriend.
Yeah, actually.
Hongoro no jolanga chwa chamtuka the MBCU. Shino ndi munde dipandele mta. Ndovuani chikofi baby.
That's what happens now.
Ndovuani chifi baby.
Like one night and then this is my girlfriend.
Jola. Akakanizera goreka wazopera. Ni munda wanoyo kanimari.
Navana no adzurura done.
Hey, Mini. You are the wife. It's giving Amando Andre now. Yeah, like it's that. I'll chat over easy, but although I miss the old times. Hey, I remember ndichivana ufinyo first love yanga umungana wangu ulochata utura simwambe vutina.
Chabibidia.
Yo, ongambisa zvakuma.
Chandakana bibi tani ambisa.
Ongambisa zvakuma like and obukare ozama for a long time. Changambisa ndatotenda zvakuti please be my girlfriend. Like yatoba.
How's this game though?
Oh, he's so good.
You're blind.
He's such a good boyfriend as a person. Like she blind. Don't even say that you wanna gift your holidays when it's you. Valentine's, Women's Day. We're great at it. She don't even remember. She never talk about what it's very very very. Then go back to right bad. Guys, ambisani
of kuma.
Abiyo ambisani, ancha ambisa yo. naini okay mara ine njena chance yeah good son bangwa bangana banu
do you think that
nina bangana bari single
ne banji
really ini nina bangana
batano
Mpo Muraro
Stonda
and you be the dark one. There's that dark one when I'm one and I what then as okay sticks in poetry. The dark skinned one with the beautiful smile.
No, the are. What a beautiful smiley. No,
the dark skinned what yeah. Are.
And then unamumwe.
Makatu.
It's not really a friend.
He's like
the friend ya are.
Oh, through are. Okay.
And then yeah.
Nawangana bararo.
Namba watu ba no wafa.
Mudi.
Very true.
Bangomani kata ofo.
No, tutuenda katofa ngana, eh?
Nende akatiwe umda.
Ini obvious.
But why ni obvious? Okay, I think also yeah. That's what my aunt said. Ellie said the same thing. She's like inini wanu kuzibona ngo rado ngori nina banji karena na babiri rather ko count or you've lost one but you have 10
yeah so
you are bound to lose 5
So you see, and then also, man, I wanted to touch on the thing. I think the guy MySol, you know him, too?
MySol, yeah.
On Northwest. So remember, like he was this guy, and like he's doing his mining things. I mean, he's giving back to the community. All of a sudden, what from Jigera, man, wow. Apparently, he's getting all the tenders himself from Samanko mine. I mean,
he's getting what?
All the tenders to him. So tonga uko tibera watu wakamzoea zina no promise as a community anchazuita. So tonga I think that whole thing. You want people to depend on you, I think. But then I feel like Gino, so but talk about Nori, in no tender ya say you supply madi mining it, you get that one, we know. And then now at the Yazim, you get it at the Yazim. So now what I'm doing mudzimu one supply you. So that's what even politicians are even saying that. Like videos that they complain why is he getting each and everything? In as much as Rambori, we are fighting for black people to be empowered by this opportunity. So why uko wana mtumti? So people are actually going against him. And the one we talk Kamuzori is one guy we're so thankful of Rifonga. Although people haven't confirmed that. Mara.
Do you think Nai is heading to Zoa?
I think so. It's too flashy.
What? Remember that guy? Sam
Holdings.
Just reminded me of Sam Holdings.
Because he took 72 cars.
Where is Sam Holdings now? So where is he? Do you know?
Probably went back to Zimbabwe. I don't know. Because apparently he was from Zimbabwe.
The flashy life does not pay off.
Yeah, it really doesn't. Like, why would you need that guy will literally get G classes no 10. There's like your McLarens.
Okay, let's go back to this. Do you think a flashy life has anything to do with low self-esteem?
I think so.
Ne?
It's only you are in a different way. But then when I I'll use Bomzepeti for now. Just look at him, JT.
As a person, yeah.
Look at MySol.
Valid.
About what about the Banambisa? What's in a cheat? There's a chance you're going to do Mzepe, right? And you know why. So, if I'm looking like this, now and then as Cherede, so Chedi to Nyambera. Don't you think that's the case also with that guy? Because I feel like adobangam to otambura onyana mrao zino is my 10.
I think zatangana na ini notomana tambura na adobana vansina self-esteem muti. Na adobana vansa detembi. Nisho dozori already usi cherede out, like you're not gonna get in, like people wouldn't take you serious. So maybe that is why when you step into a place you always feel the need to remind people who you are.
But then why?
You always feel like people should see how much you have.
Because also no, this is one guy he's not flashing and Yuri and the account on social media. Mara still flashing on social media. People are gonna take videos of you on social media while they post there because I was on an account and all that. Mara still could do videos I mean. So I'm like, guys, I feel like he's going there also, man. You don't need so many cars to travel.
Mara, then a lot of people who do tangana nazo. Though Murakarari Andy Limpisani was not Andy Limpisani. Do you know that they would have survived a whole lot of stuff? What do you know? Go ban a reality TV.
Yeah.
Go show go chimbira na beg in a chair. They used to do a lot with John the stylists. Rovera Gruvana boy, Tanzania. Tanzania.
No, fuck him.
Guy COVID.
I was a varia.
So they used to have this big Gucci bag. ine ichimseni kwa airport. Yeah. Yo, they used to do a lot. They used to do too much. So I think the flashy lifestyle, you got the downfall about Banji and from what I see, I think Isume is a low self-esteem. I know people that have money.
Yeah, I know a lot of people also.
Do you understand? And they were like Louis Vuitton, the traveling bag is just serious, not matap. You know? And then via and then there's a person on Ofori.
Do you think would you feel what? Let's look at the one you're talking about now. Would you feel over like back to zero kana is back to our level?
Or even higher than us. So I don't think you would dare.
So not yet
investigate maybe the people he lives with. But if you if he does it in the do you understand? So I do feel like totally because I'm sure you could sell a couple of houses. You know, I'm sure na yena no padra nyinyi wangu ni jena iregisa. Ono bipa.
Don't want an apartment kana
ni ubona kana kayobona atina ndotobona. Napenda songoto obusi must I did it out of love. So ono bipa you can bring back my stuff. Tinga sira renda ndono padra mtu 8 bedroom. Do you get what I'm saying? Then for it makes sense. And I feel like that's why they're investing. In
case something happens.
Kana let's say you go blind on a wrong stroke. Now if you go be one karaziano no one karazianus na mbete.
But I feel like what's wrong at the trust houses never wear a cards. Most of them. Which is why Naola wa Escom they did see wako freeze chimwe na network as the trust zawe. Because they know
kudo access.
Umuditumoshims trust and all that. Because ndapo ne watu bamwalisa zindu zikoroi ka the trust. So it's always safe. I did you cheat. I'm like,
sounds like a plan. But anyway.
I always want to learn about it, eh?
Yeah, I think that's a topic we need to get. Maybe if one day we can get somebody that knows about it. As a 3-year-old, GPT could do that as well. Man, that is on tape, like
yeah.
I feel like it's a very interesting fact because I feel like people our age are still gonna make money, so they would like to know that. It would be very informative.
Yeah, and also he's been using the resources down to the state apparently with the project. Like, actually, I pay to us, where would you take the police?
Now
ndila zori rambore vasakufora utori panyana rotomubona ngento hai uko jango tonivhisira msemerero guys
ngapfa
ndingatanga zintu DM na WhatsApp
usikofimeni
wapfa
ufintani ndobona ufinya hardcore oita video akoshuta
Feline Ndilanyi wapfa naye. Guys, let's do that guy now.
Yeah.
And then what do you think about the Majanga Commission thing? Which comes of the Department of Justice they no longer have money to sustain it.
What do you mean you no longer have money to sustain it? But they're taxing. I've never taxing over Kamoro one minute. Don't you raise a cover? Now the news of the body. I think the money is there.
Because how come there's no commission 1 billion and then Rinaya should jiggy ngori ikoshuma na suzne zangazuko bonara. All of a sudden
and it's doing such a good job.
Because this happens after Rokonyaga didn't. The contract is JMPD. That job job big yacht.
No, we
no longer have the budget and extend because they wanted an extension in 6 months. We're going to dive deep into that thing. And then all of a sudden they're like, nah. Do you think into corruption is the real project?
I think so.
Okay, South Africa, let's say.
I believe so. Ngauri ubo si like ubona watu banthaba nokuchuri idoskuya eskakabo. Somehow it will land on them and then yeah, I think so. I believe so.
Hey,
shame ngolova we.
Ndiko fine.
Munando.
Ndiko ufa.
Ngazi flu.
Yeah, I think the flu.
No wana gains ngova. Nana yake.
Hardcore. Any shit problem.
Hardcore than flu.
Ini.
What do you mean mara? No, do they want?
Ndo mufa. Sini ndo ana filter. Obviously.
It's about to be a long year, guys. As you know, so I'm just glad that this is your interview.
And then related and you know late. Yeah, and then what do you think about the thing? The issues of the strike is no idea. So the migrants
it's a very sensitive topic. Funny enough, my friends were Ghana was going to send there. We can't tell your country.
Are they saying you must come back?
No. That don't know what Papa.
So what your roots are in Ghana? So in in citizenship Ghana. Oh, damn. Thought you would, man. So what can you say what I mean?
No, I'm sorry. The behavior is off. Why you got the phone younger?
Because funny phone ajilunani kwena ndatinatete
as ni ajilunani.
No,
urezeni
ni arabamtana. Nichkontsimbeza zva mrathu ano rogidima
umfofo. Mara yezvino niti ndimungano wange ndikunyanga nchivala dzimwe chete.
Marido wazina kuda ndichivala.
Ani ngazviti. Anina mikwa. No, anina mikwa.
Anina ruvalo.
What the fuck does that mean?
Chinje chipachi cha phone.
Yeah, I need short and screen protect.
Andibonea then.
Okay, cool.
The drugs.
Okay, Oba Kori, is this how South Africans are, right? Also in one of the videos.
What is he saying about us?
That's
the wrong question to say though.
So that I don't know what's going on, but mostly in Johannesburg, Nigerians have ruined our streets, too.
You believe so?
Listen to it. Are it ruined as in, ruined as in? And I'm like, the drugs, stay in buildings where they're not supposed to live in. We have streets full of Yahoo boys, which basically makes it look like all Nigerians are like that, which isn't true. Because Renova is a professor, right? But generally, the South African behavior is off, sacking people from hospitals and whatever. So they are just angry about many other things that are happening in the country. We don't have enough health facilities. People die in hospital benches, yet there are people who are there unlawfully. Like they who are there and they're not supposed to be there. They are angry at the wrong people, yes. We have too much corruption. Our population is insane. We pay too much for our taxes and still can't get healthcare or affordable education. So that's what I said to him. I was on phone because he was like, I get it, but I say
no, but South Africa, they are really like
remember that's the story that's being bought there. Angeini aukusumbedziwa factory rine tax mara midrini yafeza 8 days usina madi. Nobody's writing that. What they see angei ndi rine rikuvatata rikoreka vatuwe. But then nobody is seeing the drugs. And ndamubudza ndere article ridzirengiswa ngavantu vanda pedzi. Mara most of them dibanda because abana imwe way of living, abana imwe yoita chelede ngauri avangasiwane mshumba vangasikona education, they are forced to. Do you understand? So ndabandi komubudza uri inini yazvidivani vagana, how long does it take for us to pass airport? Anis kujena ngofuna nge ungani kujena toilet. So that all we want is for us to have boundaries as well. Can we at least have justice? Can it not be as easy? I'm
sure he was mad, yeah?
No, because
I feel like the way you're ambanga,
no, I think and then if I now say South Africans just because I've got Ghanaian blood because from a point of privilege these are people that are outside comes your grade 12 mara that people are just angry. We're just an angry nation and it doesn't help uri rokwata mara una mwana ne all over bench ni mara o admit wa mwanda ane anana mabambiri.
Apparently
do you get what I'm saying?
And
there's only zvimwebo zvori moto atatu was but I don't want to lie mara ndi zvavudi na uchirova wapano akorovera country yawe. That is my issue. Arina problem na vatu vanokodava na mabambiri nena English rofu
also there's an issue now because vatu vakufongare vatu vothe vane vana mabambiri they're also here unati vanji vofa roads womaface because vakopa mabambiri afake and all that. So now kufika utwe mumwe na mumwe if akovuya uzoraplanga uswa system yetu zvavudi because that's another chat that they're having on the street. So like now you can vona yantu yafika no but I think no not but I think from 2008 if not 2018 mara avatu vothe vodao after that time vofika vatuwe then vatovuya vaplaya zvavudi so we know okay so ndiri kuchimbisana. So I'm like yeah guys yeso sikofi kutoa vasina ntu varati vasina mabambiri pedzi because probably vari mabambiri nani vodala upira vasina mabambiri because ujena obvious ndo dikonda nyana mara na mabambiri ndo kono jena and then you see
valid.
Are you for open or closed borders? Ndo busa mtu mbuse ya bari pindot.
Closed. Don't you think?
Yeah, I feel like the borders should be closed, man.
Don't you think? It's just it's getting out of hand and it's Jugo daresa. And then now ndiya bafesa essentially bavenda bangobona no, but it's not us. Ba only ba needs you guys.
Yeah.
So let's not downplay that. We can't now say ngoro una vararu katene bane they are doing their jobs zwavudi. But like comes uto shumo giramati and that's it. Hadini mutu. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Can we not forget ba drug?
Kakatori nsongo and when you know temba zoso kugiranga watunga mavuzi na masiana.
Sorry. Ono pera chifunga chingafana.
I don't know why.
No ndikunyo pindura mutu.
No, udani janga 9 tirotomanga 7.
Atiko jiwa, why ndiko tiyo jiwa?
And then anything you want to add to I have these 2 questions I want to ask you, Mara. I want you to add on what you have first.
No, add on what?
No, remember no rini na prepare no hapo.
Ndusembali ni mngana.
Zvino.
Arubudisani, aruberkuita.
Aniti ina. Chipinga. Okay. Remember nto. Yeah, so I wanted to ask
you.
Mara, it's fine. I wanted to ask you, remember last week I asked you, no, it doesn't really, no, you with this Mara, I was saying, when do you guys actually realize is the time to leave? That was in a relationship. But then now, in terms of the workplace, when do you actually realize?
When it's time to leave.
Because I feel like there's a whole lot of that on TikTok. People are crying, man, each and every day.
When do you realize it's time to leave? I want to say when it's toxic, but it's not advisable. Because they think just because you have a horrible manager, whatever, you can just quit. It doesn't work like that. What's Uriwa?
But they are quitting a lot of them.
Right? I say advice you know? Workplaces you'll never.
But then one on queen, I would get a better one.
How? I bet you only know it's not better 3 months later. But the first 3 months is good.
That's the thing. Somebody know the mover. It's for a relationship just because
fine. It's easy to move. Everybody else, but then getting a job is not easy, bro.
But then mutu uba more depressed. Okay, imagine you have all the bills paid and Mara, you know worry. You literally struggling mushimon. Ndo vava not of war. Andela zune mushimoni ya derengo ya. Cause you feel like, ndikuno to say mwana msondo renga. Then dinamendi chinyo do watch katro machironi. Then di chinyo nga mwomu to force to zune. It doesn't even make sense. Cause I feel like watu bambo zori. No guys, in as much as kofi. Okay, unaila uchina kambo.
Story chingwencha example juu.
Kate, lichamsi una company antuti. Say there's a company that's giving you good money. Abana company going pa chedini ya kono to survive ati. There's a lot of people there but they had a good mind urabasare na excess ati. But then at the expense of mumbro wa and all those things. But I'm near strugglers and peza nizura nisi happy. Na minus what is coming.
And then I've seen people maybe one of the story times. Mutu oba kwa manga taizo zononga mini.
Una taizo zononga probably ujirwa pasi your capabilities ti. And then in where your manager
always being looked down upon like.
And then the fact that babo naori ezo na kambori so kono zura cause I know not there probably choice in Nigeria and ya the career maybe I have an opportunity to ringi ti ala so fi bazibona nazo bathu bazi company okay umntana na option that's when they get to use it a lot against in a lot so akamzori in as much as you do just show those people who you have other options ni atombuza mtu niko jia live I'm not gonna be I just want to clear my mind
no na rena live yasho ina reason anityo tarichedza kare
no una ni atambuzori okay hapo noni uri ndikotua ngoti fazori reason ya wewe I'm not just nje so this whole thing man
I don't
cause I feel like
atikonyango zikondo nati tanga atikonyango re bathu vadzule also tonyora bathu vatuwe mara ndipongari huna zvine zvi avoid there. I've been in a workplace where there was a guy that I think I told you about him, remember ndachindibudza ngayo tikasiyambe urili ngori that guy used to annoy the shit out of me but I'm like atina inwe option for now. So zvazvino zamani utoda uri ningaita I need to avoid that person. If it means uri achia left near right, so be it, just for your peace of mind. Zvitobora kama so muthu aina report kai.
Ndayakamba zvono.
You know, achita muthu ube miserable.
Ninga muignore muthu anene tangana na lift in faith. It's fine. That one there's a chance
uri ngasambena. Also guys, unfortunately in life niko to your pretend na shumisa kindness here ni shumela eh.
That's the thing. Vaji advantage yasu nanga zvezo.
Udoni nyaro skera rini also if you are always being nice.
It's not really about unyari what I mean. Like, hemuna the moment in story. I know, mara niyo example yori, okay, you know already so. Ndi wafati, they know ri probably wafa struggles with this and this, and then adazori rako namuzor wafa in hesu zikoni barera na mini. I bet you cheat na mini, so I will always need these people to na for okay so I'm going to teach go to if you wanna leave also undo reference okay unena go and do it there in still so what to munishimisa chingwe against it so you feel like hey I can't go anywhere so come finish atendo to work guys to ani mshimono ne ngofunga ru toxic because nditsera pass because it doesn't make sense okay muzeni no shimaka I'll make myself an example ndishimanga project and then you spend 2 years in a company nichivayaka the next company afembuzeni project dzena dzishuma dzote navanisina just because andikonozitaruchedza otenanikoviwa pitu ne you have nothing to do so zvinonga zvezvo akamazonori guys nichibuilda career also look into such
things hezvo ninga thought that that's for the sake of your career also ine ndabona ngari ive kushumela nne ndimusi because I've heard a lot of people complain about ushumisiwa way above or beyond your KPIs. Like ni wane uri nikoshumera zvonovira muholo wanu like afichayerana zvila zvina novudziwa vadobonori ni blind they had nga responsibility nganti in cases like that see ndingathoda mara that's not going to depress me.
I don't think that's toxicity though.
It is because vatu vava kofa niva nikofane over ani badreleliwi zvone
mari mani korotenda nini ndingazite zvine zvavato scope
ningasiyane
ve ngoti yoguda zviri zvako literally I feel like the moment muthu nichimutendera unipaso zvine anizviiti ungozidhowera nene ndazvine rakabundo mutumo advantage
okay nezvino where I was ndozvitendera and it got me where I am now I can do because of what I was doing there ndowana ichile experience chine ndikuchishumisa because ndotenda uvachidhera you know ndotendo babari ndotendo babari afikaite izvi ndisazvidivi uri ndimini I used AI how can I do this how can this I did ndikuita the strategies in my job my title was too small for that I did it ndazvipa mulwane waone ane I'm sure vachizvipresent kandi zvawo but it worked for me.
That's another thing.
Mara okay, look at where I am now. Ndadova ndodapa ndichendo for experience ya junior. Correct. So that's when ndiko honestly it's part of character building as well. Ni iko it all day like ningazi shave. Also if you're a young girl, as a young girl, you are in deep trouble.
Yeah, I've seen that also.
You are in deep trouble with everywhere where you go. You don't deserve this job.
Yeah.
So nitiyotenda unfortunately rine aunorini yepetu usivena mtu nipa problem.
Yeah, I get all that. Yeah, nemari hinu yori ningokuwa mshimo out of scope. I feel like niyoni batu banji na idowe batitera fast no apa the pressure like now you trying to chase suzune you don't do it. I've seen a lot of people kazimwe the campaign even vangwatu amba no remuna ndivangirwa so and then it just doesn't make sense. Muntu wa complainer ka ini achingabudza havala vatu
abambe inabo they're not approachable.
Then already
they've made you feel like you are less already. What makes you think you
then that's the whole point of this conversation already tendele inori na vena sweka your point then anichopetu nina ni right. I feel like better our respect the mental part of their thing of their being let's go for as long as nina ched na mini bra and I feel like
mental part is it's very important mungana maraka ikona uyera gayashu tirangazwera kuishumisa because you'll never fully mentally be like totally fine.
Exactly.
Nava environment ichede ikodova ikupungudzeya vachitopedza ni raisera yone havana issue yori una mumwe ane ojena awana position yanga nthamara ini na qualifications onopera dzawo there's always going to be something so ni dongala every time na no tembo one guy ini richanwa manga degree yanu ya vet ya engineering okay ni HR so ini nikorobotoma degree yanu nikorobo graduate you are HR assistant or whatever nangala namusi
ndoḓiwana huṅwe
mulwane una vhathu vha no khou tou dzula na bachelor ya education miṅwaha ya 10 munna dzi a vhuya mishumoni miṅwe na miṅwe a thi khou hana uri mental health is very important mara vhathu vha songo sokou ḓigudisa u sokou ṅala I feel like hu khou ḓalesa u ṅala and also ni tea u ṅala na ma2k
u khou ḓi thusa na u sa ḓihunga vhunzhi vhathu vha ḓihunga nga zwithu zwa so
a thi khou hana
and people don't even think about that
a thi khou hana mara ndi zwezwiḽa zwine ro vhuya ra zwi amba ri khou amba nga dzi Mother's Day na what day unfortunately huna fhethu shangoni hune you're just going to have to thrive.
Yeah.
You can't always arimakumba you're not a egg.
That part I get. Not going to tea. What you know the sharp. That's one good story. You find like a relationship.
Exactly.
Like in is all just because in your into relationship for no I want to the Duanda one and all that so go those Kozura who compare and all that. Bra you can always move. Not the one movement. Because for example so you can always say okay go Zura probably digital fofi ndidotwa ambiswa ngomthari na chirede bra like you are allowed to say okay ndikho step back on this relationship and then zvezvo ndodzura probably something will come up and that
that's a different case vana vodala there's so many men zvabarajiani wa gay nitsuri naye mara
no ningasiri vana vodala na kamishumo ti utovorivo obviously
arumele kayerera khama nene ya relationship whether we like it or not everybody has the luxury to do that.
To do what?
Yozo kongana ngara ngori okay ningasimbudze uri nodzura 10 years nzambisiwe na wana muthu hola muthu lengo duba khakasi phone na ra communication yakwe bad
yeah then already in mine nono disisira pasi and but rinishumisera zvone that's the thing riko donishumisera any reason yori inini chidera okay now okay ndari na mseti ngabuyi na zvifesesa machindana nichitera mumwe na zvifesesa amudifi oh actually wana cherede ndaviya na mwana na mumwe mtu ndari oh riko dodzura naye rote pano ndosoko for oh okay it's fine inado stangane zose them like oh actually she's actually this dumb ndingaite zvote azvifesesa so na mushumoni vachimisa mental health unanga ori okay wakonoda mutu ramupa position ati zori una qualifications zakwine una experience chapasi ramupa position yanta ene hukare yaone actually literally what they say too kaimwe nto wambofi it's funny how vamwe vatu ka mishumoni vatonga muthu ari ka series but the only character yato mana chitori but vote votuwa so ini no sara no just because you have nowhere to go nisokotolereta anything ndala tu vane vafedza gofi moro gonyanga 2% every year.
2% every year.
For no, it's fine. Nikohola ndi sharp.
Nikohola as long as I can pay my bills. I do get that. Mara ndakanyanga mburi na ma2k ish abale bathu tiyabona nezi videos zoneka TikTok.
Echara kuira ngatona ngavebo zvino. Urai ma2k yako ri pa tides omushumo. Because they're not used to such things.
No, abibe dina otena yani. Keva nikufuzwa kubuzofira tobudzwa 99 things that you would never say. So the honest truth is they are not as strong like mentally and all that, and I never blame me just because do you get it? They are not as strong mentally. Like the terms we didn't know depression, anxiety, we didn't know any of that. Now it's and I'm under the weather. You don't know you're depressed. So they know what it is and they deal with things they don't know. Therapy. They're being told, they are being reminded about their rights. You've got a right to do this, you've got a right to do that. They're standing up for themselves, it's fine. I'm just advising what guys chance at one honestly.
Guys,
unless you got raw ish.
Yeah, that advice advice ndori if you feel like unena one ko struggle to a point ne dona man ko break it down cover tuningasi vye mshumu na uko phone ya brother anuri hey ndite mini reason do ko ndori cha dela no do ko ndza ndite mini mtu ko ntambuza rari muri cheni nari ha so zinonga so if you feel like if means the benefits ndakodziwana ngodzura mshumoni ngotambula dzidofera dzamsi nodzura yani nisina mshumo then you can just weigh the option na unozora okay I feel like ndingadikondera 3 months akoshuma I don't apply almost every day and I mean that they was sharp mara udzura mshumo ndiyabona mtu ngotambula mshumoni and I'm like oh mututi if only they could if only they would but those born nina chikili chine blind and mtu ari ntanu anacho and natuwa udochirira and udochifa mara you feel like na betina mshumo so ndatuwa mini company there nadzo vatu vachituwa people they just don't go out there vazhambo
avatu chimira vakozvitongisa that's why uchibuna shuno fi counter offer and stuff
yeah
nichikoubva ava ne counter offer ngori they understand uri navo vakuninida.
Also I had something or if you guys need to change those nikadzi company songo soko to apply mishumo it's just an advice to me if you apply ni needs interview just urivo on a later stage
ni vaumbule nori navo ni vaumbudze uri apendi kutodiwa vasingotomvarisa tap tap zvino zvino zvojoina nambodivhara ila open to work yalinkedin
nara ne the right changoita so
nikonyangotakadza employer ine
hangu after 10 years nikotiwana position probably of CEO kana manager
kutakadzwa employer ine yone aina like avandivina chifani but dive zvizvo zvingoroka email
ndo muhoro dzi company ngavandi vatu vangachiora 10% ya profit in company dzaiti ngecho chipinga so guys
that's just think about that vana veuri kana nadharini natrisani they don't really that's when I leave vachitondendera najia you're not aningotowananjisa kachede ne vakoita.
And then before we close anything that you feel like that goes umblori something that you've learned and you know by habit kind and you can't unlearn, what is it?
Something that I've learned recently.
Or something, not even recently, something that's a habit now to you that you are willing to unlearn, but you're failing to or struggling to. What's that?
Something that I'm willing to unlearn. I would have unlearned it by now.
Habit. Kind of you're struggling to.
Maybe letting go. I think I easily let go in the other I don't know. Fistos uri in India no ashwagandha and I don't.
That mean?
Uri India no ashwagandha and I don't. You don't. It's like a pill, you know. You're not even nonchalant.
Oh.
Hey, but we're not daily. It's like an actual thing. A lot of people are on it.
People use pills now. Nonchalant.
And for me, human for stress no ngajeji. Uri mutu adar ani budzor. Hey, don't do it. Ani chemera school. Smile. Niya smile. Aba pichitu.
No, I just feel like vatu va protect wanga ntukamulai mishimoni. Ninga varwa vatu badi vanji man.
Like yo, just fighting the urge to say fuck you.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying, Uri, I feel like I easily give up. I easily give up. I'm no longer scared of losing people. And it's not, I don't think it's a good thing.
I think it's a good thing though. I would want to learn that.
If mine is worse.
But I don't mind.
I think, I've also lost people, but it's like, okay, I lost people to death. So I feel like losing a person because they mistreated me or whatever is not. I've lost people I didn't want to lose. So
but now you don't gain a lot from. You just feel like
don't lose that my important is I'm just like and it's a toxic trait. Let's say a friendship in because fix. Those only said you're like you're trying to work things out. Sometimes it's just worth with friendship people. Okay, what would make you feel like friendship people between you and a friend?
And there's a different
that's when never be. But let's continue. Still, the minute she ne anga fimpo chita over. Done.
I think what would it be?
Let me give you a different scenario so that it's quicker goes in the barrel.
Thank
Let's say me and a friend. What but then they've been friends for like years or whatever.
I don't I feel like I'm like something else. I'm trying to think of something. That's it's a given.
You can't take off the same pants. It's not happening.
Oh, okay. That's how you call it. Yeah.
No, that's not actually. I just thought of it now.
Yeah, it's actually a nice.
It's weird. Concept. Like, what do you mean you've seen it and I'm see it too?
Yeah, but then because if like if there's a high chance there's someone and queen.
Yeah.
I think that one. Yeah. Of which car. Kama things zingakondanyana mara kavazana there's a high chance
kana wana chero for vazana
maybe but I just feel like as also so zingaba zinto.
So Ini, what is the one thing that you've learned that you'd like to unlearn? The same question. I'm sure you umbura ningasingwari
ndo buzere sundichizvumula nokumurera ini not in this probably the fourth time
umburani mara still I feel
like probably procrastination is like
part of life.
I'm that guy this is my plan and but I'm just like, bro, you've always had the results at the end no matter how soon you start anything you're going to cheat. If okay, don't shoot episodes at 10 I can edit them now and I relaxed after, but I'm like 2 years back, you've been doing this thing. Editor, 3 days before ichibva video ndizvabva. So why nokunyangodwa?
True. Because it has worked for you, so you feel like it's always going to work.
Na ula, because people say I eat a lot, so let me tell you, I don't get fat.
And there's nothing in my and somebody told me it was over the phone.
And it's boni mara. Exactly. I've always been like this.
No gera minini kadevu no gera nani gera
mustache na nani mustache na fana it's afa zifini imagine
no gera mini
no ndanye kuti antu clear skin nyana
nani nazi ingrown
so now we go
ngoshumza mini skin nina skin ruti nina chona
skin ruti I don't dichimsela ntu mini if mini land
and this one tamanga mini
no not chimsa ingwe ya Nivea but then
nichimsa bidi zvino
Are just the thing a green bar. Didn't feel like clear and then that or those something.
Nidora mean.
I know what was not showing on Maret's week.
Come copeni. Like
copeni the for normal.
Oh, like an alone of Dora Rawa, Dora copeni.
Come in this.
Being a man is nice. You know, a shampoo near Tambaga?
Shampoo?
Come like up zero day. I want a shampoo.
Mara, Digasi Venda or Tambangori, una shampoo. That Shampoo to Tamba.
Being a man is so easy.
Yeah, guys. Trade offs nyana
just better not have a tamba na chirete
nantu probably nashtabula so zefa unaenda kukando nende
kudonda na bana mangala kopeni no barrows kopeni usikwela na shikuda baba no shumza kisibeji
it's fine bro like himuna and just what
is a skin routine mar try it for a month ndikudoni sende ndikudombera za month for a month no asuch
skin routine ndoma machiboni ni na iye no that
no the face wash ni koijia na tamba ngayo najena shawarani nichibva uva oma no nichibva dova oma akopeni na dora izvinoenda kunibudza
wait so ngori niko jena
no niko tamba nga face wash na wash off by the basin right then you go in the shower in the shower you shower as long as nas ede chimwe chisibe up and then udoboko oma ndi
pala ndi ndichibudza kuti ndivuanga antu nga past 6 awatendi mshimuni ndijena nga 8
how far is it?
It's like 17 Marandija 1 hour drive 17 k's my 1 hour drive
because of the traffic.
Yeah,
it's that bad.
Yeah, it's that bad.
Oh no, na chipinga china vanga chini chipinga chini mwana mwangu
ndivanga 7 ti ndazuka mshumo of like 5 to kana 10 ndi latest ndatosuka mshumo so 7 pass ndi vandiko jail and then ndichambori nendichivua watu vanji vaona va mabasi ni wakwamba no rivarindelane and all that taxi guys
ndivanga 5
so there's a chance nendikwedzera mumwe vakuvua for ya mchimoni mti nerokotokoja nanga 8
true
so you guys
negative minutes 25 minutes
living large bro
no ndingantani yachipinga ari ndanjibva nga chipinga chanu remember ndandijena 7 ini jena 8 kare ndandichibva nga 7 yeah so nga half past 6
kuti chinja dzawara dzanga ndari 7 to 3
yeah that's what I prefer because namti ndichithought my traffic is not asiyela yotodzi my traffic is pretty well
guys anyways thanks a lot for tuning in. I know we've been here and I mean probably to wamba and all that Maria I don't know but then this how we're gonna end it this week I mean see you on the next one next week the bandina wewe nepa na mimi na waparko those daba ndisiyo just no rendo yantu I live in the bottom and then yes anything you want to say Sarvara?
Nothing guys then you wanna
next week this is brought to you next week this is brought to you by Martin Twan coming to you live from Panda Studios ciao ciao ndize night ila shunga